I wanted to say album lewa kahle kahle. It's a very nice album. I'll give it an average 8.5. I'll give it 8.5 because I feel like it talks to different sections of life, you know, spirituality, love, you know, kulaya, makavloi, you know, ikona, na bifia and Mr. Post ikona. It's a very nice album. The tricky thing about this album is the fact that it's always going to be compared to Ndambi. That's actually the biggest challenge I Mr. Post in Ndambi, you know. So, you know, this song, that spirituality I'm talking about. You know, Mr. Post Tabla Moya man Naranda Simleron. It's a very nice song. It's a very nice album. It's enough for me, Mandla Gingirikani. I'll say it's give it a time, man. Get it and give it a time. Listen to the full album because I feel like music is nice when it's you listen to the entire album. You know, if it's an album, yes, you give it the time. But if it's a single, yes, you can say, when it was 3 seconds, I'll tell you, you know, but an album, you have to listen to it as an album. So it means you have to take time to listen to it and then you can decide, you know. I feel like Mr. Post Mr. Post, you know, it's a nice album. The only thing I have about this album is the fact that, yeah, a remix, man. I feel like I never na remix. Maybe ngavula queen, maybe not trouble LEYI KULU, and maybe no antabla maybe not Miloro, maybe Miloro could have a remix, you know, like it's actually a nice song that could have a remix. Kumbeshani Radio Bosha if in a remix, and imagine if Radio Bosha I could make a voice sati. You know, we know KTS Akuimbelela, the late Kombo Shirimani. May his soul rest in peace. It would have been very nice to have Radio Bosha with voice LEYI Kombo Shirimani on this album. That's my view. I feel like the voice that album that makes the Post is actually my critique about it. That the voice that sad. Na voice that nes matala ikona la maretwela kulenyana. This year ibone Prince Rangan ahuma ekuhlabelela kahle swinene va hlangane hinkwavo kahle kahle. It's nice, it's beautiful, you know. Well mastered album, well produced album, well written songs. You know, instrument wise, she's sharp and she unique nyana. As fun album le I find I think it's one of the things that one motala bakwa ashibi ku as I find le yakwe le andambi. So give it a time, listen to it as a whole. Don't just listen to one song and conclude and say ashibi. No album ilava ingisela yingenelela ingisela kaitlina kaikoropa ikhlenta mova Kasheka, you know, king side the headphones from one, Madam Name still it headphones let one to pa sunga 12 kwa sunga 12 because the criticism taba was struck. So kumante headphones le to tinga na bass ya kahle tinga na subwoofer ya kahle kota ku twa music kahle ume weelerini album master kahle arrange kahle in well engineered album loku nulala the backing vocals ku titwala kahle is because of that na mastering. So well done to Dr. George Shiriman for that. And also welcome to Prince Rangan for coming out on this album, showing us what to made of, you know. we really like, I enjoyed voice ya Prince Rangani on this album as much as I enjoyed voice ya Mr. Post at this album. I enjoyed Nkanelo kwa kunandisa hi Dr. George Riman. Swisaseke ngosho swinganzwa album leyi guys. So give yourself time and listen to it. Loko mina Mandla Gingirikani kama shava anta ku tikumeli yona eka ti iTunes kumbe ti online stores tiko yi kona album. And then ko va ku icona ka Spotify ani vona mina ni le ka Spotify ani kumi loko ni la ku streama then ni tlanga like this hi hard copy no to lava lava tshama ku alava makhado tsanini you know lo vanhu vele mhala antshembi va ikuma album leyi kosi ani vona ngari va distributor yona and then after that why Mr. Posa choose ku va atishavisela yexe because previously the record bars hakanyingi va tala ku teka ti-percentage ta le henhla kun'wana kuma ku va na vukungundwani va tlhela loko va vona ku album ya tsutsuma va yi tsemisa hi voxe va ku nyika swimbala leswi ya wena yi nga nkambisa li nga dyi nchumu ku ri ku ve le kudeni so swi kahle ku ri yi le ku xaviseni album ya Mr. Post ni vone va kha va vulavula hi swona ku yi kahle yi le ku fambeni swinene hayi tabula moya simba kahle man na rhandza sineriwani ri na vukhongeri so boxa miloro hi leri ya doko advert vena remix simple duan but anyway nta ku loko ri mina Mandla Gingirikani kuma xava nongonoko namuntlha no gimeta kwala a hi hlanganeni kahle nkarhi lowu taka xa mina I album ya Mr. Post finally ze huma ze huma album ya Mr. Post I criticize la I lona swona I don't kiss man it's nice I enjoyed listening to this album eka sto solo ni nyora mtesi mtotora salut mingatitimel this song lava mir tigigin arla very bayri ka hele roan lava mtele mkamchina after this ta daba kahle ningaku is this my favorite song? No, I don't think this is my favorite song the album but my favorite song la is a dance I think you know, super